Okay guys, just a disclaimer, this video is going to contain a lot of footage of me being really cringy and trying hard to become an Instagram girl, but don't worry because the point of this video is I'm going to show you different ways and ideas on how to do a very easy and cheap photo shoot at home. So, ready? Let's go! Okay, this is stupid.
First we're going to do is the newspaper photo shoot, and here is the inspiration. Things you'll need will be newspapers, tape, and a wall. First we're going to tape the newspapers onto the wall. And that's just me looking like I'm having fun, but don't be fooled because this is so much harder than it seems. After you've finished everything, you're gonna get something like this. Now just set up the camera and just start posing. Not bad, right? Anyway, the next thing that we're going to do is the spotlight photo shoot. And again, here is the inspiration. For this, all you're gonna need is a tissue roll, a phone with a flashlight, a camera on another phone to take our pictures, and a stand. It can be anything like a tripod or a table, whatever you have. Now, we're gonna tape the tissue roll where the flashlight of the phone is. And after doing that, just set up the phone on the stand and just start shooting. Honestly, I don't know any other pose other than the smell the rose pose. Oh, and also keep in mind to make sure that you are in the center of the spotlight, otherwise you're gonna end up looking like this. Anyway, here are the results. Okay, for the last photo shoot, we're gonna try the bedsheet photo shoot. This one looks really easy. All you have to do is drape a bedsheet over your camera or phone tripod and then just get under the sheet and just snap away, according to her. So the things you'll need is a white fabric or bedsheet and a camera with a stand. So we're just gonna set everything up and just have fun taking your photos. So here are my results.
So that's it guys, I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please do like, and also don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting more fun videos like these. I really had a lot of fun filming this video, although it was quite hard to do, especially these newspapers, but it was all worth it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video, so